Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. How are you today? This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. I hope you're all doing okay. I hope everyone is trying to still stay safe. We need to. Things are getting better. Alhamdulillah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's getting better. But we still need to be safe and do our bit and our best to stay safe. Inshallah 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗀. How is everyone? I'm so excited today. I've got this really beautiful look and I can't wait to show you how I got this. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I'm wearing a nice chiffon dress today. It's colorful for the weather and I've decided I'm going to put this on. And how beautiful is that? Isn't it gorgeous? It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. So my dear viewers, I'm going to get right into this video to show you how I got this look. It looks difficult. It takes a little bit of finessing, but we will get it. And I want to show you how we do this. So stay with me. So I'm going to start here. What I've done is I've pinned the scarf in the back. Okay, and it's a rectangular scarf, and I've got a whole lot of it on one side and very, very minimal on the other side. And as I was talking to you, I unhooked it, so here we are. I'm going to show you from scratch. So basically you're taking a very short side and we're going to try and get this in the back. There's a different version to this, but I'm going to use this version today, and maybe another day I'll show you exactly how to do the other version. But for right now, I want to do this very quickly and show you how we got that look. So when you're pinning it in the bag, just make sure that the front is nice and set in place, and that we can always fix as we go along. But we're taking a safety pin and we're pinning this in the back. And just make sure I get this right. Good, I've got that. So we've got a very short side and we've got the longer side. And what we're going to do is hold the longer side and try to see if you can hold it with some folds, and we're going to take it over to the other side. And watch as I do this. See how I bring it over with the folds? So it gives it this really nice fold on top. See that? See? That's what we're doing. And all we did was hold it here and bring it over and secure it here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to just give this a bit of a knot. And like I said, this takes a little bit because it's a lot of fabric you're working with here. All the fabric that you brought over, you're working with that. If you just hold it in place, everything will work out okay, and we give it a knot there. See that? And you give it a nice knot. Just pull it towards the bottom. And make sure that your folds are nicely in place. And like I said, my viewers, it takes a little bit of finessing to get it the way you want it to get it. But once we wrap all of it, you'll see how it turns out really nicely. See, that's all that nice fold that we're working with. And now we're going to take this portion of it and just pull it across. And there we go. That's all we're doing. And we're going to put a stick pin here. My dear viewers, it couldn't be any easier than that. And now you just set your plates, and because this is in place, just take your time and go through it. I don't want my ninja showing, so that's covered. This is in place. This will stay in place, and you've got some really nice folds. The back is covered, and just making sure this looks nice here. And what I'm going to do, just so that I don't have anything showing here, I'm going to put I don't need to, but just for me, just making sure that it is covered. I'm putting a stick pin right in the corner, covering the fabric from showing, from any of my the ninja showing. I don't want that showing. I want it covered. And so just to make sure that we don't have any skin showing as well, I put the stick pin there. And there we go. We've got this really beautiful look. And that's sitting here. That's your knot. And you can always tighten that a little bit more if you want to. Once you tighten it, it doesn't get out of place. And you've got this beautiful, beautiful look. And I keep pulling it up, but look at that. Oh, I didn't pin it tight enough, look. So when we pull it across, you can pull it with that as well here. And remember, it's trial and error. I'm doing this as I show it to you as well. I'm also learning. You know, if you don't pin it properly, sometimes it loosens up. And you want to make sure that you've pinned it properly. And that looks so beautiful. I'm just going to put some folds there as I bring it across. See that? Look at how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And how is that? Do you like it? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I think, look at that. See here, I put one stick pin here. We've got enough coverage in the back. We've got this really pretty folds in the front. And there you are. That's what we have for today. And I love it. My dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed that with me. I hope you like what you saw. I hope you're going to try it. It's important because when we do a tutorial, we are doing it with the hope of you sisters trying it. And, you know, we are hijabis and we want to make sure that we're always doing this the proper way. And, you know, we fancy it up a little bit. We change it up a little bit. We feel good about ourselves. And that's the intention, to make it look good, feel good, and be respectful. My dear viewers, I hope you like that. And I enjoy bringing that to you. And if you did like that, please make sure you share it with your friends and family. It's important. Share it as much as you can. Share it, share it, share it. Sharing is, you know, caring. Sharing is good. Sharing is very, very beneficial for all of us. And please do leave me a comment in the bottom. I read every one of them. It makes me feel good. This platform is growing and I'm really excited to be here with all of you. So please do leave me a comment. And my dear viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button. Press on the bell and tick off the all. And that will be it for now until we meet again. Please do stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and make the best of every moment. Every moment counts, because once we lose a moment, it's gone forever. So make sure we take care of those little moments. It's the little ones that count. So my dear viewers, please take care. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.